Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kushal Makija, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use logics in Python. For that we need a Python module named logics in which some Python functions are being defined. You can find the link of this Python module in the description below. You can copy the code from the given link below and make a Python file. Now to know in which folder this Python file has to be saved, you need to write import sys and sys dot path. Now you can see the number of folders. You can add this Python file in any of the folder that appears on your screen on entering this code. Now let's move towards the logical operations. Now firstly we need to import the logic Python file that we have just pasted in the folder. Import star. Now you might be thinking why I am using from import instead of just import. The reason behind this is that on using just import, we need to add module name and dot before the function called of the module like this. But on using from import, we don't need to do that. Now let's use the where's function of logic module. We need to add the names of the variables firstly like this, and now in where's functions bracket we need to add the same name as we used before the equal to. Here the where's function is used to convert a simple variable into proposition type. Now you will be thinking, what is this proposition? So proposition is just same as the Boolean expression in which true is considered 1 and false is considered 0. Now if we write P here, we get the proposition because P's type is changed into proposition. Also Q and R is converted into proposition. Now let's make some propositional formula using some propositions that we have defined earlier. I'm naming it formula 1 equal to P or Q and not P implies Q. Here implies is XOR gate of Boolean algebra. Also the operators used in this formula are defined in the module logic, in which operators are defined using operator overloading. Now let's see what happens when we write formula 1. As you can see, the formula 1 is converted into proposition. Now let's see the truth table of formula 1. For that we need a function named print underscore truth underscore table. Now as you can see, the truth table is printed here. Now let's see if formula 1 is a tautology or not. That means all the rows of the resultant of formula 1 are true. For that, there is a function defined in logic module named is tautology. Now as you can see, it's a tautology because all the rows are true. Now let's make some more formulas. I am naming it formula 2 equals to P and Q implies R. Let's make another formula. I am naming it formula 3 equals to P implies Q implies R. Now let's check if formula 2 and formula 3 are equal or not. As you can see, it's true. Let's see how it's true. I am printing the truth table of formula 1 and formula 2 and formula 3. Dot print truth table. Formula 3 dot truth table. As you can see, the resultant value of formula 2 and formula 3 are same. That's why formula 2 equals to formula 3 was true. Now as formula 2 and formula 3 are equal, let's do contingency and tautology test of them. Now let's check if formula 2 is tautology or not. Now you can see here false is written because there was one row in formula 2 where there was false. Now let's do contradiction test in which all the resultant values are false. So I am taking P and not P for testing contradiction. There is a function named is contradiction. Now as you can see, P and not P are contradiction, as we know already, because they both are opposite to each other. Now let's make some more propositional truth tables. Firstly, I am taking P or Q using print truth table function. Now we get the truth table of P or Q. Now I am taking P and Q again using print truth table function. Now we get the truth table of P and Q. Now let's do for not P using print truth table function as well. We get not P truth table. Now let's print truth table for P implies Q using print truth table function. We get the truth table of P implies Q. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, the best you can do is by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.